Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is Tuesday, August 31st, and the time is around 1:45 a.m. GMT. Today we're going to be looking at the chart of Apple. This is a 45 minutes chart here. We can see right here we ended with 2 in the minor degree at 144.2. Then from there we are rallying higher. Now it still continues to make a new high for Apple. We can see right here the rally is in an impulsive structure. We have 1 and 2 and now finishing up with 3 on the upside. So we should be looking short term at least a few more highs before ending this 5 ways up from 144.2 here. So we just simply measure the 100% extension from here. This 1 and 2. We do hit the 100% already, but again, it is likely not complete yet due to the fact that we break the new high. So most likely we're not going to be ending in 3 waves and continue to see further upside. Now zooming out a little bit and let's take a look at the larger degree. Now this is a wave 2 in the minor degree here. So I'm putting the wave 2 here, right? So if we zoom out in the 4 hour, now we notice a couple of interesting things here. Now this, just taking a look from here, it looks like a 5 waves move here, right? And we do get a break to new high, and we do have a divergence as of now. That means that we could potentially be actually in the wave 5 from this low already, right? Could be in the wave 5 already, but for now, this leg especially is only in 3 waves. So typically, unless it is a flat, expanded flat, we are not going to end an impulsive structure because it is making new all-time high, right? We are not going to be ending impulsive structure in a 3 waves, right? So yes, in the larger degree, we might be potentially close to ending some sort of larger degree structure and do a larger degree pullback. But if just looking at the short term, if this is 2, this is a 1, right? For example, so we could be, for example, looking to do a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from here, with 5 from here, right? And at least in the shorter cycle, if we just look at this structure here, right? If we just look at this structure here, then it looks incomplete and favoring more upside, at least to finish a 5 waves, completed 5 waves from this low here. So for now, pullback is going to continue to find support, okay? And this minor wave 4 in the sub-minute degree here, right, is going to find support right here around 23.6, 38.2% retracement, then extend higher again before finishing up with 3 in the black, and then after that we got a 4 in the black and 5 in the black. So a few more highs before we could potentially finish a 5 waves. Then if we finish a 5 waves from here, then that's when we need to be careful again, because it could potentially even end the cycle here, okay? Could potentially end the cycle here and get a bigger pullback, but for now this is looking incomplete, so we're looking for more upside still in the short term. Alright, so that's the update for today, and as always we do have a 14 days free trial if you want to check the count for all time frame as well as other stocks, indices, forex, commodities. The link is provided in the description of the video. I'll see you all again tomorrow then. Have a nice day everyone.